Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with PepsiCo, full guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a solid understanding of the company. Research PepsiCo's business model, products, and market position. Next, check the current stock price and performance. Use financial news websites or stock market apps for real-time data. Consider creating an account with a brokerage firm. Choose between traditional brokers or online platforms based on your preferences. Once your account is set up, deposit funds to invest. Learn about the different types of investments available with PepsiCo. You can buy shares of PepsiCo stock directly. Alternatively, consider ETFs that include PepsiCo as part of their portfolio. Review PepsiCo's financial statements for insights on profitability and growth. Look at their latest earnings reports and future projections. Assess the company's dividend history if you're interested in income. Understand the risks associated with investing in the stock market. Diversify your portfolio to mitigate potential losses. Keep an eye on market trends that could affect PepsiCo's performance. Stay informed about industry news and economic factors. Make your purchase by placing a buy order through your brokerage account. Choose the number of shares wisely based on your investment strategy. After purchasing, monitor your investment regularly. Review your investment goals and adjust your strategies as necessary. Consider setting up alerts for significant changes in stock price or news. Finally, be patient and maintain a long-term perspective on your investment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.